Hi, and welcome to the Girlfriends Lounge. My name is Marcy. I'm so glad you are here, and we are going to do an unboxing for your creative studio. Okay, so let's open and see what we have. So this is a little thank you card. It usually has an idea of what you're going to, or maybe the pattern or theme that you're going to receive. Nice. You get washi. There's usually several cling stamps. They are very generous on how many cling stamps they give you. Here's another one. And another, oh, this says masking tape, but I am super curious right now what this actually is. Super gluey. Okay. Oh, that is super cute. Oh, it's maybe a bookmark or a letter opener. That is darling. A little cameo. So cute. Okay, we'll set that aside. And then there are some, let's see, these are either labels or stamps. It's typically what comes in these little boxes. So we'll open, and then a stack of paper, Creative Studio, their stickers. And then you typically get one of these. So these are their transparency. And these two items are typically in whatever the theme is. Set those aside. Oh, we got nice stencils, and then some rub-on stickers and some paper. So let me take all of the packaging out and we'll get a better look. Okay, so we will look at the stamps first. This opening each of these things, that really gives me the vibe of like the Spanish tile. Gorgeous. So there's that. And then here is another cling stamp. I should have opened these. I did not. And I think I say that in every video. So here is that image. Nice size stamps. Very pretty. And let's look at the washi. Oh, this is like all ready to go. So you always get a nice generous supply. And then let's get into the paper. So this one, I've opened these little books before, and there's typically a bunch of the same image. So I'll probably look through these real quick. There's those. And then let's see, let's do the stencils next. So you get 2 sheets, and it is a different pattern, so we'll check this one out. Very pretty. And I save these. and let's go through. I'll move these out of the way. We'll go through this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so you get 2 of each, and they are stickers. You get a nice variety. Let me see if I can pull you in closer. Ooh, there we go. So you get some to and from. Some oval, rectangular, and some square. Okay, and now we'll look at the paper. There is the backing and just an example of what you get. I use these. You could cut the angle here for a tag, put some fabric in it, and use it as a bookmark or a tag in your junk journal. So the paper, it looks like you get 2, so maybe you get 3 of each. And there's that. Very pretty. So I'm only seeing about maybe 2 each of them. Yeah, they're not stuck together or anything. So those, you get that size. And then the next size here. It's like a really pretty tile. And then, so you have that size. And then you have the small square ones. Very pretty. There's that one. Okay, and then it looks like you get a Rub-On sticker set. And here's a closer look. You get 3 sheets, and they are all different. And here's the last one. Then they give you the little tool. Okay, and then here is the Your Creative Studio paper. So on the back, here are the paper options you receive, and then you get 6 stickers, 6 film, 6 art, and 6 pattern. They are the same throughout each texture. I think this is a little bit easier to see when it's the full sheet. Very pretty images. Nice background paper. And then again, it comes in the vellum, the sticker, and then the pattern. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching another video. if you want to see the rest of the boxes, I'll have the playlist linked below. And thank you for hanging out, and I'll see you later. Have a magnificent day. Bye.